Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix battery icon not showing in taskbar. So guys, if you want to fix battery icon not showing in taskbar, so very easy. First you click on start, type here computer management, click on computer management. After click on device manager, here the option batteries, so click it. After that click on disable device, click on yes. After that click on disable device, click on yes. That is not showing. If you want to enable, so click on enable devices, click on after click on enable devices. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix battery icon not showing in taskbar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.